guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Nikki, and for those of you that do know me, thank you so much for coming back for yet another video. Now, before we keep going, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Also hit the notification bell beside it so you never miss an upload from me and you're updated anytime I upload a video. Also give this video a nice big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what types of videos you would like to see next here on my channel. Guys, I am so proud because I have been consistently uploading and I'm so happy. I've been consistently uploading. Like, I've been doing really good. I've been doing better than I've done in the past. And I'm so proud of myself. I just want to give myself a pat on the back for doing such a great job. Good job, Nikki. And guys, I uploaded today even through sickness. Like, I have a bad cold that I am trying to get rid of and I'm trying to shake. But I wanted to look pretty and I wanted to put on some makeup and I wanted to film a tutorial for you guys. I wanted to talk to you guys just a little bit, just sit down and just kind of get ready in front of my mirror and all of that jazz. Because I do have a couple of errands that I need to run and some, things that I need to take care of today. And now, like I said, my voice, it sounds a little nasally and all of that, but you know what, it's all right, it's whatever. I originally wanted to do a talk through video for you guys today, but because of this cold and I'm just like every 5 minutes, I was like I'm just gonna do a voiceover because it seems to go by a little faster versus me sitting there like, okay guys, I'm about to put this on my, it just seems to go by a little smoother. And then because I'm so nasally right now, it's like I'll just do a voiceover. That way I'm not sitting here just talking and you guys are just listening to me go doing all them noises and stuff every 5 minutes. So yeah, but I'm trying to get over this cold, so I haven't been trying to do too much talking. My last video, make sure you guys check that out, by the way, if you haven't. It is already live on my channel, is getting over heartbreak. I just recently went through a heartache and I'm still getting over it. But every day is progress and each day I'm doing much better and I'm getting much better and I'm glowing and I'm growing and I'm happy and I'm super excited and I'm at a really good place right now, but I still have a lot more work to do. But make sure you guys go check out that video. I did some talking in that video and that's when I actually started getting sick. While I was filming that video, I don't know if you can tell it in my voice, but I was starting to get sick and I was kind of sniffing a little bit then. So I was like, you know what, let me just do a voiceover for this makeup tutorial. And I don't know why I'm telling y'all all this, but I'm just saying I'm sick with a cold and I just want y'all to know. I don't know why I'm telling you all this, but in the video, I also wanted to mention this too. I decided not to use fake lashes. If you noticed, my natural lashes are popping today. I did not use false lashes. I decided to use mascara instead. So just letting you know. I did my brows off camera, so you guys won't see that. I did do my brows off camera. And I also put mascara on off camera, but I'll have the products listed down below so you guys know what I use in the video. For the things that I don't say, I'll definitely have them listed down below. I just don't like such extremely long videos because who wants to sit here and listen to somebody talk for an hour? Like, no, I don't have the attention span to do that, so I wouldn't do that to you guys, even though I'm rambling right now. But I did just want to throw that comment out there. I am using I have my natural lashes enhanced today, and yeah, I'll put the mascara that I use down below. It's actually the e.l.f. Length and Volume mascara. Super cheap. Make sure you go buy it. I love it. It's a great mascara. If you're on the market to try a different drugstore mascara, just throwing that out there. e.l.f., you should sponsor me for that little tidbit. But I'm just saying though. But yeah, so enough of this rambling. We're gonna go ahead and get into this makeup tutorial. I definitely wanted to do something very fall inspired, and I got inspired by my sweater. And I also wanted to do something like Cranberry within the purple, burgundy family as well, because purple is my favorite color. So anything related to purple is related to me and I love it. But I decided to just kind of jazz it up a little bit versus doing just a straight cranberry color on the lid. You know, I opted for like a smoky, you know, type of situation. And I even hit some purple up in there in the outer corner. And I got some gold, you know, on the inner corners. You know, get a little sparkle shine going on because it is finally feeling like fall here in North Carolina. Alright, you guys, I'm coming up on 5 minutes, so I'm going to shut up. And if you guys want to see this video on how I got this look, then of course continue to watch. Alright guys, so first I'm starting off priming using the Maybelline Master Prime, and this is 050. This is the Hydrate and Smooth Primer. Since we are transitioning to cooler months, I definitely need that moisture and that hydration. Next, for foundation, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Matte HD Longwear Matte Foundation, and I'm using the color Caramel, and I'm going to just apply this all over my skin and even it all out. This is my favorite brush. This is the Morphe. I can't remember the Morphe M439 brush. I love this brush so much. It's so great for buffing out your foundation, and it definitely leaves an airbrush finish, which is something that I definitely love on this textured skin of my hunty. So I'm just gonna blend this all out. I love this foundation because it's definitely matte. It's definitely, you know, my fall winter color. My skin is definitely kind to just, you know, seep into it. So my skin is definitely lighting up to get back to the fall and winter color, whatever that means. Anyway, so I just added a little bit of extra coverage on my cheek area because that's where I have the most hyperpigmentation. And I'm going in with this Too Faced Multi-Sculpting Concealer in the shade Sand, and just applying it to the areas that I normally highlight. And I'm going to let it dry down. I got this trick from Jackiana, and definitely makes you save more product because this concealer is closer to a more liquidy consistency than it is a thicker one. So I love thicker concealers. So I feel like I'm not wasting a lot of product once I'm blended out. And the product is actually staying on my skin, and the brush isn't taking so much of it away. So I'm just blending this product out with this Real Techniques blush. And this color is just the perfect highlight shade. I love it so much. It's not too light. It's not too dark. It's just the perfect neutral color for my highlight. And I'm definitely going to have to repurchase it because I am almost out of it. This concealer and the ColourPop concealer are like two of my favorite concealers to use. Next, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Powder in the shade Banana, and I'm going to use this to set everywhere that I applied that concealer so that we can ensure there will be no creasing with my foundation. Now, once I set it first, I'm also going to go back and apply a little bit more underneath my eyes and around my mouth area where my smile lines are, just to make sure it doesn't crease, and then under the eye just to make sure that it catches the fallout. Alright, moving on to eyes, I'm taking this Revlon Enigma palette, and this one is the 9201 in Mysterieuse. I guess you can say that. First, I'm taking that nice pretty cranberry shade, and I'm going to pop that right into my crease, and this is going to be my transition color for this look because I'm going for a really cranberry smoky eye. And then with a clean brush, I'm going in to blend out those harsh lines and make sure it looks very airbrushed. Now I'm going in with that deeper purple shimmery color, and I'm going to apply that right into my crease just to kind of add a little depth. And I'm going to blend it out to make sure everything's nice and blended seamlessly. Next, I'm going to go into this Maybelline Soda Pop palette. I said Maybelline. What was I thinking? Maybelline Soda Pop palette. And I'm taking the shade Cherry on top. And this is a nice pretty shimmer cranberry color. I'm sorry, cherry color. I said cherry on top. I'm just applying this all over my lid just to give the lid a little bit of pop and pizzazz. Alright, now going back into the Enigma palette, I'm taking that deeper purple because I wanted the crease to be a little bit more darker. So I'm just going to take that color and just blend it out to get that outer V area just nice and dark. And then I'm going in with my MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC50. And I'm going to take this and just apply it all over my face. And then I'm going to push that translucent powder in. And then I'm going to go in for contouring with the Ruby Kisses mineral powder, and this is in the shade Chestnut, and I'm going to use that to contour my skin and just snatch my face a little bit more. Alright, you guys, so next I'm contouring my nose using that same powder, the same Ruby Kiss powder. And I got a little heavy-handed, so now I'm going in to really try to blend that out so it doesn't look crazy or look too harsh. For blush, I'm taking the Milani Rose Powder Blush in the shade 901 or Romantic Rose. And I'm applying it all over my cheeks. I love it because it's an everyday brush and you can pile on as much as you like. Next, with Fenty Beauty Trophy Wipe, the Killawatt highlighter from Fenty Beauty. I'm just using that to give me a nice glow all over my cheeks, forehead, nose, cupid's bow, and chin. And I'm also going to apply some of that right into the inner corner of my eyelid, just to kind of make the eyes pop and open up a bit more. I've been loving to do this with my looks. You know, they just make everything pop. Next, I'm going in with this MAC pencil. This is the eyeliner pencil in black, and I'm going to use this to line my eyes. And I'm going back into that Enigma palette. I'm taking that darker purple that I use in the crease to go to smudge underneath my lower lash line, and then I'm going to blend it out with that Cranberry shade to make sure it is nice and blend it out. Alright, for lips, I did do my brows. I did my brows off camera after this clip, but I didn't show it. And also applied mascara. I used the e.l.f. Length and Volume. And for lips, I'm using the e.l.f. Lipstick, and this is in Bordeaux Beauty. I think I'm saying it right. Bordeaux Beauty. It's a nice, pretty wine color. And that's the finished look, guys. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm not gonna ramble like I did in the intro. I'm not gonna ramble. I just hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And if you want more fall inspired looks and tutorials, please let me know down in the comments. Let me know what colors you want to see. You know, my favorite colors to use in the fall of oranges, browns, purples, berry colors, anything that's like really dark and vampy or just reminds me. All right, y'all, sorry y'all, we back. But anything that reminds me of fall, I love to use it. So yeah, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what types of videos you guys want to see. Also hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell beside it so you never miss an upload from me. Give this video a thumbs up and also share. Let everybody know to come subscribe to my channel. I'm very much so focused on making this channel grow, and you know, I need you guys to do that. You know, we are a community, and you know, you gotta help a sister out. We gotta grow. We gotta grow. But anywho, you guys, yeah, as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.